Okay, children, now let's study principle of reversibility of light. Now, what is this principle? The principle of reversibility of light states that light follows the same path if the direction of the travel of light is reversed. What does this mean? Direction of the path of light is reversed. That means if the path of the light is reversed after suffering a number of reflections and refractions, then it retraces its path. Now, this means if a light travels from medium 1 to medium 2 and has angle of incidence and angle of refraction as I and R respectively, that means angle of incidence is I and angle of refraction is R. Then, if the light is incident from medium 2 at an angle R, then the angle of refraction in medium 1 will be I1. Now see, here you can see the two diagrams. If you see this one, then you can observe that light is traveling from medium 1. This is the angle of incidence. It is traveling in medium 2. So let's say this is rarer medium and this is the denser medium. So it will bend towards the normal. This is the refracted ray and this is the angle of refraction. Now, if light now travels from medium 2 to medium 1, then it is going in this manner in medium 2 such that here the angle of incidence, right? Here the angle of incidence, we have taken its value to be R. Then the angle of refraction, now it is moving from denser to rarer medium because these two mediums are the same. It is going to bend away from the normal. So here this angle of refraction value obviously will be equal to I. You can even imagine a situation in which there is a mirror strip kept at the bottom and the light happens to fall perpendicularly on this mirror strip. Then obviously when light falls on it, then it will retrace back its path. That means this mirror strip would have been in a better way if I say that the mirror strip is over here. Then this is the incident light, isn't it? And this is the refracted light. And this is falling normally on the mirror strip. Then what will happen? It will move in this manner, right? This becomes the incident ray which is shown over here and this is the refracted ray which is over here. So then this value of R, that means angle of refraction, here becomes the angle of incidence and the angle of refraction which will come out to be as I. So if you talk about the refractive index in the first diagram, that means 1 mu 2, then it will be sine I upon sine R. Now we'll use the principle of reversibility. Then in the second medium, since now the light is traveling from medium 2 to medium 1 and we had taken the value of I to be R, so we'll write sine R upon sine I, right? I hope there's no confusion in this. This over here, this is the diagram, right? This is going to be your I and here this will be the path of, right? And this is R. And when it goes back, then this R becomes the angle of incidence. And this I becomes the angle of refraction. Now, these two equations, 1 and 2, we are going to multiply. So, what are we having? 1 mu 2 into 2 mu 1 will be equal to sine I upon sine R into sine I upon sine I. Now, here this is coming out to be 1. So the product of these two refractive index is 1 and We can therefore write it as 1 mu 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 mu 1. Or you could have also written it as 2 mu 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 mu 2. What does this imply? This implies that the refractive index of one medium with respect to other is reciprocal of each other. That means if you know the refractive index of first medium with respect to the second medium, then you can calculate the refractive index of the second medium with respect to the first medium by taking the reciprocal. So, if the refractive index of glass with respect to air is 3 by 2, that means A mu G is equal to 3 by 2. Then the refractive index of air with respect to glass will be 2 by 3. So, what this means is that if I want to calculate, I will use the principle A mu G is equal to 1 upon G mu A. Here I needed the refractive index of glass, right? So A mu G is 3 by 2 is equal to 1 upon G mu A. So G mu A will be equivalent to 2 by 3. So it's easy to calculate the refractive index of one medium with respect to other by using the principle of reversibility.